Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Imagine you've just landed in a new country for the first time. You are super excited, ready to explore. But the moment you look at the signboards or try using your phone's map, everything's in a foreign language. Confusing, right? Now, the first thing you'd want is to switch it to a language you understand, so you can move around with ease. The same thing happens when you log into your website's cPanel for the first time. Sometimes the default language isn't the one you prefer, and that can make even the simplest tasks feel complicated. But don't worry, changing the language in cPanel is just as easy as changing the language on your phone. And the best part? If your website is hosted with YouStable, they make managing cPanel super beginner-friendly with their easy-to-use interface and 24/7 support. So even if you get stuck, help is always just a click away. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to switch the cPanel language in seconds, without any tech headache. Let's get started. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Scroll down to the Preferences section and click Change Language. Now, click to open the drop-down list of different languages. Select the language of your choice, for example, Spanish. Click the Change button. That's it. We have successfully changed the language in cPanel. Thank you for watching.